Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. Mistral has published another new AI model and its name is Magistral, and it is a game-changing model because its size is only 24 billion and it has thinking capability, and it is Mistral fast reasoning model. Magistral is a small and efficient reasoning model with 24 billion parameter. Although this model is very small, but it is completely beating DeepSeek R1. We know that DeepSeek R1 is around 671 billion parameter model, but this 24 billion Magistral is completely beating them. Here you see on this AIME 24 benchmark, it has 90% accuracy, and on this AIME 25, it has 83.3% accuracy with majority voting. So if you are someone who want to test the reasoning with a small model, then this model is for you, and also you will get the same response and same efficiency, and obviously some greater efficiency than the DeepSeek R1. So how to use this model? Basically there are two ways. One is through Olama and another one is through this open router. But there is a catch that you have to understand. This is their official blog post. Magistral is a dual release model focused on real world reasoning and feedback driven improvement, and we are releasing the model in two variants. One is Magistral Small, a 24 billion parameter open source version, and another one is this Magistral Medium, a powerful and enterprise version. So if you want to test this Magistral, then you have to go to this Olama, and it is a 24 billion model, but this model is the Magistral Small. Okay, and if you want to use this Magistral Medium, in that case you have to use it through the open router, and its cost is around $2 per million input token and $5 for the per million output token. And they have also written these things that Magistral is Mistral fast reasoning model. It is ideal for general purpose use requiring longer thought processing and better accuracy than with non-reasoning LLMs. And from legal research and financial forecasting to software development and creative storytelling, this model solves multi-step challenges where transparency and precision are critical. So as I have already told you that this is a game-changing model that you can use, and I think you know that how to use it through open router. So basically you will find the API here in this API tab, and go to this create API key, and here create your API key. Now after you get the API key, then you have to go to this client or root code or kilocode, whatever you are using, and go there, select this API provider as the open router, and after that select that model from this drop down, and here also give the API key, and here you have to just write this Magistral, and here you see Magistral Medium, and choose this thinking option. Okay, and you will get the best output. So for this plan and act mode, select this. Otherwise, if you want to use it through Olama, I have given this link in the description. So you have to run this command Olama run Magistral in your terminal or command prompt. Let me show you. So copy this command and open your cmd command prompt and paste it Olamar and Magistral. It will be installed. Okay, now after that you can select it in this client also. Here select this Olama from here. Where is that? Yes, Olama is here, and here you will find the model that you have already installed. Okay, so this was the small information that I wanted to share with you. So please explore this model, and here you see some of the key features that they have mentioned, like reasoning, multilingual, and this context window. It has 128K, and also it is completely free under this Apache 2.0 license. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.